cuties, it's that Jess here, and I hope you're all doing really well today. So today I have got a Kawaii box unboxing. So the people at Ikoomoo sent me this mystery box to unbox for you all today on my channel, and it already looks adorable. Oh my gosh. So they sent me their Kawaii box, and this is the $30 one, I believe, which has got at least $50 worth of stuff in it, and it's all going to be super cute because it's a Kawaii mystery box, of course. The packaging alone looks adorable already, so I think it's going to be a really cute box. Right, so let's get on with the unboxing. Here is the box up close, ready for us to unbox it, which I'm really super excited about. But just look at how cute this packaging is. It's so sweet, and I'm one of those people that really likes cute packaging. Right, so let's open it up. Oh, look at the little cinema roll. Oh my gosh, look at how much stuff is in there. That's amazing. Right, I'll kind of just pick the first item and we can have a look at it. You have this little tiny notebook, and it's got these adorable like gummy bears on it. And it's just super sweet. Next we've got, ooh, this is so sweet. This is like the sellotape on the front. Oh, and it looks like a lanyard. So here it looks like we've got a lanyard and like a card holder pass case thing. So here we've got a really sweet cinema roll design, and it's on like cutest like pastel plaid background, and I'm a massive fan of like tartan and plaid designs. So it looks like you can just pop your card or pass or whatever you need to in the case, and then you've got a matching lanyard, which is super cute. I love this. This is really sweet, and on the end you've got a little cinema roll acrylic charm. Next we have got this. Here we've got like, I assume this is like a card maybe, and then you got like little like memo pad papers, which are all really super cute. I love stationery and like decorating stuff, so this is really super sweet, perfect for like just having around and using for scrapbooking or journaling. Right, so next we'll have another look at a different stationery item, and this looks to be like a memo pad sticky block thing. Yep, so we got like a little memo pad that also doubles as like sticky notes, and this is really sweet. So we got like a dog design, and I just really like it. It's very autumnal, I think. Okay, I'm spying some like Sanrio around here, so of course we're going to check that out next. Oh, okay, so it's looking like some Sanrio themed sticker flakes, and I love sticker flakes. I decorate everything with sticker flakes. Honestly, I decorate you guys in sticker flakes if I could. They're just so sweet. As here we have Hello Kitty, Bats Maru, Little Twin Stars, Pom Pom Purin. Oh my gosh, I've just found the cutest one. Look there. It's Kiki and Cinema Roll. These are all really sweet. Right, so next I want to look at this thing that's down here, because I'm curious as to what it is. Oh, okay, it's one of those really squishy things that you always see. Oh, guys, look at it. It's like a squishy like chicken, I think. Oh my gosh, it's like this like really squishy, not sticky though, like rubbery character. So it's this like yellow chicken, and it just, I suppose it's just to be squishy, which is cute. He's just wobbling around everywhere. Right, so it looks like we've got a lot more stickers to look at, and I'm so excited. So we'll just start with the first one that we get. Oh my gosh, it's long. And so here we have got some smiley faces, and these are really cute, like neutral colours. I really like it. So you got oranges, beiges, blues, blacks. They're quite cute, and you just got all these like really adorable faces. Actually, they're like really sweet. Oh, another long one. Here we got Magic Koala. That sounds cute. And these ones are on clear backs, so it looks like a magician koala. Oh my god, that's such a sweet design. Okay, so this one looks like another essential one for journaling. It's kind of just got like all different random icons and stuff. So you've got like lots of random ones here. So you've got like a dog, cup of tea, a waffle, a croissant. Here we've got Express Hamster. So another clear one, and it looks like you got a mailman hamster. Oh my gosh, guys. Their designs are amazing. Look at it. A mailman hamster. I love it. Look at him. Here again we've got some neutral coloured stickers, and these are just like round dots. And I cannot tell you how handy having these round dots are. Not even for like being organised, but just for decorating spaces that are a little bit sparse and don't really have much going on in them. Oh, this looks interesting. So we've got like some aesthetic like blue themed photos, but they're actually stickers. They're all really sweet and perfect for like if you're doing like an aesthetic like colour themed page, which I have been wanting to try out for so long. So let me know what I should do with these ones, what kind of theme I should go for my blue themed page. First off, we have got this checked pink and white washi tape. He's got this like little like dog character, I think, with flowers. Really pastel and cute. And then here we have got this yellow and pink plaid washi tape with like little tulips all over it. Got this red and white themed one. So it's a white washi tape with lovely written all over it in red. Next we've got like this almost like navy blue washi tape with little white and yellow daisies all over it. And then we are back with the tartan, which you guys know I absolutely love. So you got like little squares of different coloured tartans. And then lastly we have got one similar to the daisy one. So it's just this like dusky pink washi tape with these like little red tulips on it again. Right, so in the bubble wrap we got these two cute pens. So here we got like a red sparkly gel pen, and here we've got a ballpoint pen, and it's got an astronaut dog on it. And I did not know I needed to see an astronaut dog until now. Next we are back in with the stickers. So we've got this cat wearing toast, and I love that. Here we have got another sticker sheet. So you got lambs and bunnies and dolphins. Here we have got teddies and people. And here we've got more teddies with bunnies and like a spring themed one. There's a little cherry blossom tree down here. The next look we've got more stickers. So here we've got similar to the last ones, but this one's retro lambs. And retro lambs are one of my favourite things ever. So this sticker sheet is like perfect for me. Here we have got like a food one. So we got crepes and strawberries, and then here we have got a fruit one. So we've got strawberries and pineapples and bananas. And next we've got these two colour palette sheet sets, and on the back it shows you what you've got. So you've got all different sticker sheets, and the next one we have got like yellows and greys, and on the back it shows you the 4 sheets inside. Also these ones are sparkly, which is super exciting. First one we got like blues and greens and purples, so very cool toned and very sparkly. And the next one we have got like purples and pinks, which again are really super sparkly. I hope you can see how sparkly they are. And these are such cute ones for like decorating or labelling stuff. Next we've got 2 lots of letter sticker sheets. So first we have got the blue one, and then next we have got the red, and then the final item is this really sweet notebook. Oh my gosh. So it's this really cute pastel pink like bubblegum colour, and this really cute design of these like Polaroids. They're really sweet. So here is everything that came in that one box, which is insane. Look at how much stationery and stickers there are. That's amazing. Right, so that is the unboxing video done. Thank you so much to Ikoomoo for sending me this box. It's really adorable, and for someone like me that absolutely loves stationery, it was perfect. And there's so many stickers in it, which just makes me happy. I will leave all the links down below for the box, as well as the Ikoomoo website as well. I also have a discount code for you, which I'll pop on the screen now, and it'll also all be in the description. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And don't forget that if you're not subscribed already, you can hit subscribe down below to see all my other videos. And I hope you enjoy them as well. So thank you so much, guys, and I shall see you in my next video. Goodbye, guys.